Hey, my name's Brenden Moore. I'm an Aboriginal Education Officer for the Community Greening Program. I'm here in the Royal Botanic Garden, Sydney, and we want to learn more about bush tucker plants. Let's see what's in your garden. Aboriginal people have been using native plants for thousands of years, and the best thing about native plants is that they thrive in our Australian environment. If you're thinking about creating a bush tucker garden at home, take a look around and see what you've already got. For example, in front of me I've got a Lamandra longifolia, also known as mat rush, and it's an edible plant, also used as a mat or a basket. So it was important for Aboriginal people to pass on knowledge, and this is why we should label our native plants, so we know what they are, and also if we want to learn more about them. Today I'm going to be planting a lemon myrtle, and I like to put lemon myrtle in with a roast chicken with garlic and chilli. So the way to do that is to squeeze the base, to loosen up the roots, tip the plant upside down, holding onto the plant, teasing the roots, putting your plant gently back in. The reason why we tease the roots is so that the root systems can make themselves at home, and planting it in loose soil, so that way it gives the opportunity for these roots to make a home. So after a hard day's work, I want a nice cold drink, a lily-pilly cordial. Australia's finest nectar.